Así permitimos a Grupo Lactalis suministrarle durante un periodo de 9 años, con inicio de 2021, 70 gigavatios hora de electricidad al año.
We have a long-standing expertise in financial and physical energy management, enabling us to match the needs of our clients at each side of the energy chain. As a great midstreamer, our team played a key role towards Lactalis originating your long-term power purchase agreement, and we are managing that associated market risks in order to help you meet your environmental goals and make sure you consume renewable energy.
Damos respuesta al consumidor que cada vez está más preocupado no solo por lo que come, sino por cómo se produce aquello que come. En ese sentido, Lactalis está apostando fuertemente por los productos ecológicos y por la utilización de energías renovables en su producción. En ENGIE hemos encontrado un partner ideal en esta estrategia que nos permite descarbonizar en la producción energética de nuestras fábricas.
At ENGIE, our ambition is to lead the zero carbon transition, reconciling performance and sustainability, and helping our customers reaching their environmental goals. We engage into the greenification of our business by starting investing in green gas, accelerating development of green PPAs and accelerating biomass development, and increasing the production of renewable energy, as we did by providing new Lactalis 100% green energy. In a few words, our commitment is to act today to energize tomorrow's sustainable world.